Hello guys, this is Santosh and welcome to Tech Design. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a work part when you are working on a assembly workbench. So you can see here, this is our assembly and we have so many number of child parts here. And suppose you can see here, this is a suspension assembly, and if I go to part navigator, I don't have any feature over here. Suppose if you want to create any feature here, say for example, if you want to create a line by taking any reference, center point of any of the circle on these models. So what happens? So let us go to create it. So I'll just go to menu, insert, curve and line. So I'm going to select this and let me go to this assembly navigator, and I want to select a center of this. So suppose if I want to create a line from this center point to this point, and the line feature should come in this part navigator. So now what I'm going to do is I'll just there in line command, and I'm going to select this point. So as soon as I selected this point, you can see our work part is switched to front side plate. So whatever the feature you are going to create it here, say for example, I'm going to create this line and I'll just click OK. So this line will come under this part, whatever it is there. So inside this part the line will be created. If you go down, so you can see this line. So what is our scope is we need this line to be created in this suspension assembly part navigator. So whenever you try to do this will happen. Say for example, I'll just go to insert curve, and again I will go to line, and suppose if I take this center line as an reference, and if I try to make it line here, so if I click OK, so you can see automatically it will be switched to this particular work part. So now the line is created under this front lower hinge. So if you go here, you can see this, it is created. So in this case, how you are going to create any line or curves inside this part navigator by taking a reference of these components. So there is an option in the selection window. So you can go to this selection window here, and you can see here allow automatic work part change. So if this is switched on, whenever you try to create any part in the main assembly, it will automatically switch the work part to whatever the component that you will select. So you need to switch off this. So once you switch off this, and now we'll go to again menu, insert and curve, and here I'm going to curve again, and in this case you can able to pick it easily, and you can able to create a line. And whatever the line that is created, this will come under this suspension assembly part navigator. So this is how we can make a use of this allow work automatic work part change. Those, so I suggest you to keep this option switched off. So whenever you are trying to create any feature on this part, obviously you will double click on this, and you will otherwise you will make it as a work part, and then you will start working on it. So it is not required for us to keep it as automatic work part change. You can just make sure that it is switched off. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial guys. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the section below. I will try to answer. Thank you.